Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to show you how to set up your Binance account and trade on Binance platforms. First, you're going to press sign up with phone or email. Enter your personal email and your password and agree to the terms and conditions. Press create personal account and you'll be sent an email verification code. My account is already verified. In this case, we will go straight to Binance. Once you have confirmed your email address, this pop-up with verification will appear. Once you have all your information ready, press continue. From here, follow the steps and press continue. Once you are done your verification, you will see a different page. Once you have reached the main screen, you have successfully created your Binance account. Binance has one of the largest service offerings in the crypto world. You're able to purchase crypto with your credit card and do peer-to-peer trading. You're able to do spot trading and margin and even futures trading. You also have access to their Earn program, which gives you daily interest depending on how much you have staked on their platform. Please review Binance's terms for each product they provide. Some of the offerings on Binance are much more risky than others. Please be careful of what you're investing. Now we're going to take a look at their trading platform. On the left side of the screen, you will see the order list ranging from price and the amount of BTC people are trying to buy through this platform. The live price and candlesticks will show in the middle. On the right side, you can see other assets that you can trade and the live trades that is going on. If you scroll down, you are able to do a spot trade depending on the available quantity of coins you hold. For example, if you hold USDT and you'd like to buy Bitcoin, you would do a market buy, as in you're going to buy the current price, which is this number here, and the total amount of USDT or US dollars you would like to spend in order to buy your Bitcoin. For example, if you put 1 USDT, you will be able to get 1 USDT worth of Bitcoin. Once you have the funds available, you can press the green button in order to buy. And the same goes for the opposite when you want to sell your BTC back into USDT. There are multiple trading pairs they offer, and please do your research before you do any investments in crypto. Now you are able to trade on Binance's platform.